everybody, so today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this Lauren Conrad, Lucy Hale, Kiko Lynn inspired short beachy wave. So if you'd like to find out how, then stay tuned. First, I'm starting off with freshly washed hair combed through so there's no knots. Next, I'm taking the Bumble Bumble Surf Infusion spray and spritzing it evenly throughout my damp hair. When you start blow drying your hair, focus on pulling the back layers forward so you get more of that windswept beachy effect. Now I'm going to use a 1 to 1.5 inch clipless barrel to start curling my hair. Start by sectioning off the top half of your hair and pin it to the side. Start by taking 1-inch sections of hair and curl away from the face. Make sure that you leave the ends of your hair free, that way they stay nice and straight at the bottom. Continue on the other side. And remember, the curls don't have to be perfect because the top half of your hair is just going to cover it up. Now that we've let the top half of the hair down, you're going to use the same technique, curling 1-inch sections of hair around the rest of the head. Also, you want to make sure that your barrel is on only about a medium heat and hold the curl for about 10 seconds. That way you get a nice loose wave. Once you've finished curling your hair, go back in with your Surf Infusion and give it another light spritz all over. Lastly, just shake out your hair with your fingertips and shape each curl until you get your desired effect. And that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!